Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Он играет в игру. Страница 108-109. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. He is playing a game. Page number 108, 109. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. Exercise number 1. Read and choose. Read the rule. What is Parker doing? He is playing a game. He is not drawing. He isn't drawing. Прочитайте и выберите. What is Parker doing? He is playing a game. He is not drawing. He isn't drawing. Sue is watching the cats in the garden. Listen, Tom is playing the piano. What are you eating? Is it an orange? Look, Mom, I am painting my face. Where's Sandra? Is she climbing trees again? The children aren't swimming. They're playing. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Free time. Look at picture. Then ask and answer. Свободное время. Задайте вопросы к картинке и отвечайте на них. Is he running? No, he isn't. Are they singing? Yes, they are. The answer. Is Chuckles running? No, he isn't. He's climbing. Is Nanny painting a picture? Yes, she is. Is Maya swimming? No, she isn't. She's singing. Are Larry and Lulu playing the piano? No, they aren't. They're playing a board game. Is Parker reading? Yes, he is. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 109. 109. Exercise number 3. Listen and repeat. The king and the queen are eating chicken in the kitchen. Послушайте и повторите. The king and the queen are eating chicken in the kitchen. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Copy the table and complete it. green, long, tan, spring, king, run, queen, pin, sing, swing. Скопируй таблицу в тетрадь и заполни ее. Long, spring, king, sing, swing. Green, ten, run, queen, pin. My dear friends, do exercise number 5. What do they like doing in their free time? Look, ask and answer. Что эти дети любят делать в свободное время? Посмотрите на картинки и поговорите с одноклассником. Playing, reading, walking, singing, waiting. What does Ben like doing? He likes swimming. What does Mary like doing? She likes watching TV. What does Judy like doing? She likes singing. What does Tim like doing? He likes painting a picture. My dear friends, do exercise number 6. Mine and ask your friends to guess. Do you like dancing? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Изобрази мимикой и жестами, что ты любишь делать, и попроси друзей угадать. Do you like dancing? Yes, I do. No, I don't. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me